Kid Wiz Channel. Let's learn together.
Bald eagles, speedy diving birds. Bald eagles have super big wings that help them fly high in the sky. They are called bald not because they have no hair, but because their heads are all white, like fluffy clouds. Baby eagles are called eaglets and they come out of the eggs when the time is right. Sometimes eagle families have two babies at once. They are born gray and fluffy. They live in the homes called nests their parents build on top of tall trees to keep eggs and eaglets safe. Their nests are called eyries. Many eagle nests are as big as a giant pizza, the biggest of them as wide as a school bus. Their nests are like artworks made of sticks and leaves. As they grow, the eaglets' feathers turn brown, their heads turn white, and they become super cool eagles. Bald eagles can zoom through the air faster than a race car. They can fly way up in the sky, like they're saying hello to the clouds. Eagles love their families. They stick together and take care of each other. Guess what? Bald eagles love fish. It's their favorite snack. Eagle eyes are like super binoculars. They are big and can see 4 times better than our human eyes. They can see fish from really far away. When they see fish, they dive very fast to catch it. They use their sharp claws called talons and their strong beaks to catch fish and hold on tight. When they do not fish, they eat other types of meat, and sometimes even steal food from other animals. Eagles can live for a long time, almost like magical birds. Bald eagles live in North America with most of them in Alaska, where it's snowy and beautiful. In America, the bald eagle is like a superhero bird. It's on flags and coins. We should always admire these beautiful birds from a respectful distance, be kind, and keep them safe. They're part of our awesome planet.
Thank you for watching. Come back again.